Good evening, everyone. Myself, Dr. Dimple Modi. I am physiotherapist and ergonomist. Basically, why I have this topic is global COVID-19 pandemic. We are all suffering from some or the other problem, and we all are there, and all of forcing us to work from home. So it has become a great difficulty for all of us that we have to work from home, and we are not used to that, right? So we are sitting on sofas, bed, dining table, chairs we are using that are so hard enough to do our laptop works. So it's very difficult for all of us to work from home for a long period of time. So why right posture and right balance is important? Have you ever noticed uh, your posture while walking, while sitting, while working, continuously working on laptop? Have you ever noticed your posture? Are you feeling pain while continuously working for 1 hour? Have you noticed pain in neck spasm, in back, in elbow? You haven't realized that pain is a signal that gives some positive response to your body, that something is going wrong in our body. And we just what we do, we take medicines or something like painkillers, or we do hot fermentation or cold packs or something like that to prevent ourselves from that pain. But is it the solution? It is not a solution. Okay, so shall we start with this? 52 days to a working lifestyle. On 24th March, a sudden lockdown was imposed in our country. We get time to think, to plan, work from home. So, we didn't get the time. Are we equipped to handle VFX, work from home? No, because we never used to do that. And we never thought it would be so long that we have to work from home for a quite long period of time. And it has become so difficult for all of us. So sitting for like sofas and all that, that we are straining our back and neck continuously. Are we paying attention to our bodies? No, we are not. So who is working? So who is working continuously in an absolute set of work? Our moms? Yes, they are working from morning to evening, night in a routine manner. But the, the ones who are working for whole day are not there for like this kind of work schedule. Most of our homes are not equipped to act as a work from environment, such as in the Western countries. In India, it's not possible, and we have never done it before. So, are you all fitness pups? Yes. We all like to do something or the other thing, and in this lockdown time, all are finding themselves doing some kind of yoga, stretching exercises, feminine exercising, maintaining a good food diet, doing gymming activities, running around, stair climbing, descending again and again to make ourselves fit. But after doing exercise, do you realize that you're feeling much better? No, because we just do exercises. We are not listening to our body. We are not focusing on our body. It's paining. So what we do, just to let it go, right ourselves. So is your posture right? Is your balance right? Have you ever noticed? So we don't give such emphasis on this all things. So let's check. First, stand up for 45 seconds. Feel your feet. Like to do this activity? Stand up for 45 seconds. Feel your feet. How you have to stand? Keep your toes touch to each other and heels outside. Heels should be outside and toes touching each other. The great toe should touch each other and heel should be outside. And stand for 45 seconds. Feel. What do you feel? Anyone? Shift our body from one leg to another. Or we change our hip posture. Why? Because we are not used the correct posture for the long period of time. We're not used to that. Just make our body balance. We shift again and again from one foot to another. For now, let's concentrate on VFH. What is VFH? Check your work from environment. Now you relate yourself with this kind of environment. Are you, one can relate? You are working from home like this, sitting on sofa, bending your back downwards, neck downwards, or relaxing on sofa like this, continuously straining your neck, or lying on your tummy and your laptops, or working in a slouched manner, sitting on your hips or on bed like this. Are you able to relate all this? What are the environmental stresses? Excessive noise, as we are working from home, so there will be excessive noise while talking. As in Mumbai, we have not so many rooms. Basically, in Mumbai, we all have our puja room, our dining room, our reading room. But have you ever realized that we don't have any working room from where we can do our office work or anything we want? Proper lighting. So nowadays we have to sit near windows and do lighting to our work. Extreme temperature as the climate has become very humid. So we are just sitting in continuous AC for long periods of time or hot climate and developing the sick building syndrome. What is the sick building syndrome? Sick building syndrome is like when you have your shoulders are protruded forwards and you're sitting like this. You're bending your back and neck downwards and you're sitting like this and continuously doing work on your mobile, drafting emails or anything. So this is called as a sick building syndrome. Sick building syndrome is just a forward bending posture for a long period of time. What are the other environment stressors that impact on body? Hearing, continuously noise, vision, if there is improper lighting in your room from where you are doing your work, or the lighting is coming directly on your laptop. So it is affecting your vision because the direct reflection comes to your eyes. Just you have to count. Then what you have to do? Then you have to constrict your eyeball muscles, which is training our eye muscles. General comfort and health, hard to soft seats are or cramped spaces. Just settings just very uncomfortably for a very hard surface for a very long time. So it hurts our hip muscles. What are the other physical stresses? Are those activities which place unnecessary stress on some body parts, muscles, tendons, nerves, joints, bones. How it happens? When we are using the computers, so what we do, we place our forearm on the desktop, the laptop. So it continuously, the table continuously hurts our forearm muscles. So the keys, use the keys. So it directly impacts our forearm muscles and it generally hurts our nerves also. So what are the other examples? Unnecessary weightlifting, repetition, just clicking again and again the keys, awkward position, you are holding your mouse in the awkward position. It should be in straight line. Your mouse should be straight. This should be straight. Your wrist should not go up while using the mouse. Excessive pressure or force or vibration. When you're tapping your mouse or key very hardly, so it creates an excessive pressure on the finger muscles. What are the other physical stresses examples? Constant typing, hours of filing day after day, stamping dozens of papers, frequent lifting, repeated motions with computer mouse. Are you able to relate this? Sitting on your desktop and your posture is like that. Can you able to see how your spine has curved? This is not our natural curve. God has not given this kind of natural curve to us. So what we are doing, we are curving our body and this is called as a sick building syndrome. Have curved our body like this. So while working like this, we are straining our chest muscles also, our abdominal muscles also, and we are stretching, we are straining our spine also, and the spinal cord gets inflamed, and that's why there are very early chances of cervical spondylosis for doing long hours of filing works or laptop works or using uh, mobiles for long period of time, and it's also straining our eye muscles also. So the most prone to people of back pain and neck pain are of computer users. See how the hand position is that your hands are not straight and your wrist is bending from outward direction. So it is what is straining? It is straining our wrist joint. And here there are several nerves which are very superficial. यहाँ पे जो नसें रहती है वो सारी सुपरफिशियल रहती है. जब इसको कोई सपोर्ट नहीं रहता और हाथ अलग बराबर डायरेक्शन में स्ट्रेट लाइन में नहीं रहता तो ये नर्व्स को इम्पिंज करती है. और उसके बाद बहुत कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है जो जनरली ऑफिस वर्कर्स को होती है, उसको हम बोलते हैं कार्पल टनल सिंड्रोम. इसमें हमारी उंगलियों में झुनझुनी, टिंगलिंग, नमनेस, इस तरीके के सिम्टम्स जनरली हमको देखने को मिलते हैं. So if your computer screen is not in idle position and you have to move your mouse like this, so it is straining our elbow muscles. Elbow muscles, when it gets strained, you have a tennis elbow syndrome. Using your mobile phones or phones for continuous period of time and holding your neck like this, so what is strained there is a trapezius spasm. You generally have trapezius spasm continuously when you are working from long hours. Feel pain. Let's check. Observe which part of your body are you experiencing pain, even if it is minor and maybe. Are you able to feel any pain in your neck, back, shoulders, knee joint, eye muscles? You are feeling any pain? If you are feeling any pain, that means the body is responding. The body is telling you something is wrong in your body. So you have to pay attention to that. Don't just neglect that. What are the precautionary measures? What all precautions you can take while for improving your posture? So, are you able to see the girls sitting on chair? As we are working from home, so we don't have this kind of chairs. Many of us don't have this kind of chairs. So, just for information, I'm telling you, when you are working on your computers, your foot should rest, okay, and your back should be supported, and your wrist lumbar curve should be supported, and your hand should be straight, so the elbow is supported, okay, and the wrist joint should be supported on something. You can take a napkin or something like that, and you can place under your wrist joint, and you can use your mouse. Why it is necessary? Because I told you that it's a carpal tunnel syndrome that generally occurs for long usage of mouse. You can see the hand positions of wrist. What position it can hurt your wrist joint? So how to walk right? Just before I told you, you can support a Turkish towel or a napkin under your wrist. Won't have, you can buy this. It's available in market. So now the time has come to invest in your work from home environment situation. To invest on all these things: a good chair, a proper laptop stand, a proper supporter, footrest. It's a good time to invest in all this. So I don't know what will the situation be, but most of the companies will allow the individuals to work from home only. Companies will allow some of the people to work from home only. So we have to prepare ourselves, our body, all these things. So work and study right. So what should be the ideal position while using computers or while you're studying? I have given an example for laptop users, but you can use this study purpose also. Don't just slouch on bed or sofa and study, because in early age we are not able to notice how it's affecting your spinal muscles, your ligaments. So in later stages, you find that your tissues become very fragile. and they tend to happen hip disc chances, cervical spondylosis chances, woolly deformities. Okay, eye strain. You have spectacles at a very early age. You have a protruding shoulders. Have a protruding shoulders like this. So what happens when you again and again when you do such things and you are habitual to this, you don't even realize that how your body is there. आपने सबने देखा होगा जब रैम्प वॉकिंग और जब एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस की ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है तो सबसे पहले उनके पोस्चर पे ध्यान दिया. पोस्चर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जब आपके शोल्डर्स प्रोट्रूडेड स्ट्रेट रहते हैं और जब आप सामने देखते हैं तो यू फील मोर कॉन्फिडेंट. जब आप ऐसे रहते हैं तो आपको लंग्स की कैपेसिटी भी डाउन होती है, आपको हमेशा ड्राउजी फील होता है, यू ऑलवेज बिकम डम. ओके, एंड देयर नेक के पीछे आपको एक हम्प जैसा लगता है, तो उसके कारण आपकी नेक भी इस तरीके से आगे होती है. So that doesn't look good. So you can see in this picture how the posture is there. Okay, you can take a back support. You can just roll a towel or something bed sheet and place it under your lumbar curve. जो कमर के पीछे का जो रहता है हिप और स्पाइन के पीछे का जो गैप रहता है वहाँ पे कमर के पीछे आपको रोल बना के लगा सकते हैं. शोल्डर्स को पीछे रखिए, एल्बो सपोर्टेड होना चाहिए और रिस्ट भी सपोर्टेड होना चाहिए. और जो आई का जो लेवल है अपने कंप्यूटर के फर्स्ट स्क्रीन पे होना चाहिए, क्योंकि इसके कारण ना तो आपको नीचे देखना पड़ेगा ना ही ऐसा देखना पड़ेगा. अगर आप इस तरीके से पोजीशन रखते हैं तो यू आर कंटिन्यूसली स्ट्रेनिंग. आप स्ट्रेन कर रहे हैं अपनी नेक मसल्स पे और थोड़ी देर के बाद आपको काम दर्द होता है तो आप अपनी पोजीशन अलग तरीके से चेंज करें, बट नहीं आइडियल तरीके से. अभी आपके पास वर्क फ्रॉम होम के लिए हम लोग तैयार नहीं है तो आप खुद से काम कर रहे हैं. तो अगर आप बेड पे काम कर रहे हैं तो आप इस तरीके से अपना पोजीशन लीजिए. जैसे पीछे तकिया प्रॉपर रखिए, जॉइंट में अगर सपोर्ट रखिए और अपने आई का लेवल इस तरीके से रखिए कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा आगे झुकना ना पड़े. बट आई स्ट्रॉन्गली रिकमेंड टू यूज अ वर्क स्टेशन. To analyze how you have to sit. और अगर आपके पास अच्छा वर्क स्टेशन घर पे है तो आपको इस चीज का हमेशा ध्यान रखना है कि जो नी का जो बेंडिंग है, जहाँ पे बेंड होता है, चेयर सीट और नी की बेंडिंग के बीच में एटलीस्ट 1 to 2 इंच का गैप होना चाहिए. अगर वो बार बार वहाँ पे चिपका रहा तो वहाँ पे एक हमारी शियाटिक नर्व रहती है. अगर वो दबती है तो बहुत अर्ली चांसेस होते हैं लोगों को शियाटिक पेन के, जिसको हम कॉमन लैंग्वेज में शियाटिका बोलते हैं, की वजह से उनको हिप पेन होता है और पैरों में टिंगलिंग, नमनेस, ऐसे झुनझुनी, सुन्नपन, इस तरीके के सिम्टम्स बहुत ज्यादा दिखते हैं. वर्क स्टडी राइट. अगर आप पढ़ रहे हैं तो इस तरीके से, अगर आपके पास ऐसा रिक्लाइनिंग चेयर है तो आप इस तरीके से भी बैठ सकते हैं. और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो दूर से काम कर रहे हैं और उनका मोबाइल यूजेज ज़्यादा है तो आप हेडफोन जरूर यूज करें, ताकि फोन कान पे लगा के कंटिन्यूसली अपनी गर्दन को इस तरीके से बेंड करके रखें. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, व्हाट इज सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल. सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल वही नहीं जो लोग बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं, जो खड़े होके काम कर रहे हैं कंटिन्यूसली, जैसे कि सिक्योरिटी गार्ड, वो भी उनकी भी सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल होती है. वो कंटिन्यूसली जो खड़े रहते हैं उनको जनरली काफ पेन, नेक पेन, हिप पेन, बैक पेन उनको भी होता है. और जो बैठे हैं कंटिन्यूसली फॉर मोर देन 6 आवर्स उनको भी बैक पेन और इन सब के इश्यूज होते हैं. तो उन दोनों को बैलेंस किस तरीके से करा जाए. जो बैठे हैं वो अपनी पोजीशन, अगर वो बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं तो कंटिन्यूसली अगर 1 घंटा उन्होंने बैठ के काम करा है फॉर एटलीस्ट 15 मिनट्स, फॉर एटलीस्ट 15 मिनट्स स्टैंडिंग में उनका स्टैंडिंग वर्क स्टेशन हुआ. अभी घर से काम कर रहे हैं तो क्या कर सकते हैं, आप अपने लैपटॉप को किचन के प्लेटफॉर्म पे रख के भी यूज कर सकते हैं. तो दैट इज जस्ट शिफ्टिंग योर वर्क स्टाइल. ओके. और जो बहुत ज्यादा खड़े खड़े होके काम कर रहे वो बैठ के काम करे थोड़ी देर, तो इस तरीके से बार बार अपनी पोजीशन चेंज करके रखिए, तो जिससे आपको फिजिकल स्ट्रेस ज्यादा ना हो बोन्स के ऊपर. सो जब आप खड़े हैं तो इस तरीके का पोजीशन आप मेंटेन कर सकते हैं। फिर आपका जो वर्किंग एरिया है, तो किस तरीके से आपको अपना जो बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ है वो हमेशा पास में रखनी है, और जो ज़्यादा ज़रूरी चीज़ें नहीं है वो थोड़ा सा दूर रखना है, क्योंकि जो बार बार जो चीज़ें आपको ज़रूरत है वो हमेशा आपके उस एरिया में होनी चाहिए, उस रेडियस के अंदर होनी चाहिए, जिससे आपको ज़्यादा आपको झुकना ना पड़े, बार बार आपको इस तरीके से खींचातानी ना करनी पड़े।